Hi, I'm Mr. Blooms. Welcome to this video. I'm going to share what types of installation we do, and how Blooms charge, by time, for small tasks. For more complicated work, book a survey and our crews will attend to you, to understand your requirements. Please stay with me till the end of this 1-minute video, and you will appreciate it is very easy to book any home services from our app. Let's go, follow me. For a start, our crews do not rush through a job, but take good care of your home. 2 crews carefully move furniture out of the way, and with a laser alignment beamer, set the horizontal reference for wall plug drilling. This item is a heavy 50-kilogram barn door turn feature mirror, and much care is put into executing the work properly. Any items in the bathroom, from water heater to shelves, can be installed. Installation also include assembly of IKEA furniture such as these tables, and most DIY electrical appliances purchased online, such as this automated dry rack system. Select installation service. You can bundle more items into one installation session. Estimate the service duration and book the number of hours. For example, book 2 hours. Then from the booking calendar, select your preferred available date and time. How about 4th of August Thursday, 10 a.m. From the order summary, you can view the service fee. If our crew can complete the work faster, we charge the lesser amount, and vice versa. You know how much to pay based on the time used. Payment choices: cash, e-wallet or credit card. You pay only upon service completion. Finally, just place the order. Yes, it is that simple.